Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation x is equal to x over 3. So, there are actually several methods of solving this equation. And to solve this equation, we only have one variable, x. So, x is the variable we need to find the value of. So, for my solution, I'm going to first rewrite this problem over here. So I get x is equal to x over 3. And what I'm going to do is subtract x over 3 on both sides. So I get x minus x over 3 is equal to 0. Now, what a common mistake that most people do to solving this equation is they multiply both sides by 3, so I get 3x is equal to x, and then now they divide both sides by x, so they get 3 is equal to 1. And this is an invalid statement, so that is the wrong way of solving this. So the correct way is this one. I get x minus x over 3 is equal to 0, and now I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So now I get 3x minus x is equal to 0. 3x minus x is 2x, so I get 2x is equal to 0. And now obviously, this is simple. All I have to do is divide both sides by 2, and I get x is equal to 0. So now, an important part is to check if this is right. So my equation was x is equal to x over 3, and x is equal to 0. So I plug in x for 0, I get 0 is equal to 0 over 3. 0 divided by any number is itself, so I get 0 equals 0, and this is right. Now I'm going to give you guys another problem. X is equal to x over 2. So try pausing the video and trying to solve this problem. Alright, so to solve this problem, I'm going to do the same thing which I did to our first problem. I'm going to subtract x over 2 on both sides. So I get x minus x over 2 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to multiply 2 on both sides. So I get 2x minus x is equal to 0, and I get x is equal to 0. So it's the same thing, again, using the same method. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 40 to the power of 40 over 20 to the power of 20. So, for my solution, what I'm first going to do is rewrite 40 to the power of 40 as 40 to the power of 20 plus 20. So now I have 40 to the power of 20 plus 20 over 20 to the power of 20. And now I can use the property that states that if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So I'm going to be using this property on 40 to the power of 20 plus 20, so then that turns into 40 to the power of 20 times 40 to the power of 20 over 20 to the power of 20. Now from here, I can rearrange this to be 40 to the power of 20 times 40 to the power of 20 over 20 to the power of 20. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So in this case, I have 40 to the power of 20 over 20 to the power of 20, and that's going to turn into 40 over 20 to the power of 20. Now, 40 divided by 20 is 2, So I get 40 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 20. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times b to the power of m, this is equal to a times b to the power of m. And this is my third and final property for this video. So in this case, a is 40 and b is 2. So this turns into 40 times 2 to the power of 20, which is equal to 80 to the power of 20. So this is my answer to this problem. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and watch another video on my channel. Bye.